FluentPro Backup is a cloud-based platform that protects project management system data. In just a few simple steps, you can create a schedule for the automatic backup of your Trello boards. When you sign up for FluentPro Backup, an onboarding wizard will open. You can immediately add your first Trello environment and schedule a backup. Click the Add Environment button. FluentPro Backup supports multiple environments for the backup. Select Trello from the list, then click Connect. Provide your credentials and log in to Trello. Allow FluentPro Backup to access your Trello environment. Click Continue. Select the Backup Content option. You can either include all the boards from your Trello system, only selected ones, or select all and ignore the ones you don't need. Workspaces for selected boards and all board members will also be backed up. Click Next. Now you can define the schedule for the backup for both modified and unmodified boards. Click Save. Your first backup is now scheduled to run. You can monitor the backup process details and progress on the summary page. Alternatively, open the Operations Details page to track its status. All your critical board data will be fully protected within a few minutes, and you can restore your data when needed. For more information about FluentPro Backup, please visit our website or contact our sales team.